Good morning, first grade. Today for your math facts, you will need your class fact practice and a pencil, as well as a crayon or colored pencil for you to check your work. Today for your page, please go ahead and make sure that your name is on your paper. And then we're actually going to go through a lot of this together today. So as long as you are following along and paying attention, you should have no problem with our sheet today. The first thing that we need to do is we need to find the answers to these problems. So these are still doubles plus ones, so hopefully that helps you. 3 and 4 are next to each other. That's how you know it's a doubles plus 1. 3 is a smaller number. 3 plus 3 is 6. One more makes 7. 7 plus 8, 7 is smaller. 7 plus 7 is 14. One more makes 15. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 6 is 12. One more makes 13. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 4 is 8, and one more makes 9. 8 plus 9. 8 is smaller. 8 plus 8 is 16. One more makes 17. 5 plus 6. 5 is smaller. 5 plus 5 is 10. One more makes 11. Now we have to do the same thing on this other side. So here we go. 7 plus 6. 6 is smaller. 6 plus 6 is 12. And one more makes 13. 9 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. And one more makes 17. 5 plus 4. 4 is smaller. 4 plus 4 is 8. One more makes 9. 4 plus 3. 3 is smaller. 3 plus 3 is 6. And one more makes 7. 6 plus 5. 5 is smaller. 5 plus 5 is 10. And one more makes 11. 8 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. And one more makes 15. Now, what we need to do is we need to draw lines to connect the problems that have the same sum. Remember, your sum, that's the word for your answer. So they need to have the same answer. So 3 plus 4 is 7. I found another 7. Notice that's 4 plus 3, right? So I'm going to connect from this dot to this dot. You're going to do your best to make a straight line. Just make sure they're not all swirly, curvy. 7 plus 8, 15. Here's the other 15. Notice it's 8 plus 7. So from this dot, I need to go down to this dot. Once again, you're making your best lines. 13, 13. 9. Here's the other 9. 17, 17. 11, and 11. You'll notice that each one of them only connects to one spot. Now on the bottom, you're going to do the same thing. You have to find the missing answers. Now you have to figure out, since these are doubles plus ones, is this going to be a 7 or a 5? Okay, if I take this as the smaller number, 6 plus 6, that already equals 12. Uh-oh, that's too big. So I know that 6 has to be my big number, and 5 has to be my small number. Okay, and if you know that 5 plus 6 is 11, look down here. Find one that starts with 5 and has an answer of 11. Guess what that's going to be? 5 plus 6. 8 plus what is 15? Well, 8 plus 8 is 16. That's too big. So I know that this has to be 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. Something plus 6 is 13. Ooh, 6 plus 6 is 12. Ooh, so 6 plus 7 has to be 13, which means 7 plus 6 is 13. See how you can kind of do both at the same time? 4 plus what is 7? Well, if 4 is the small number, 4 plus 4 is 8. Too much. So we know that the missing number has to be 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, and one more makes 7. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. What plus 4 is 9? Well, 4 plus 4 is 8. That's smaller. Add one more that makes 9. So 4 plus 5. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. What plus 8 is 17? 8 plus 8 is 16. That's smaller, so that must mean that this number has to be 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. And now I'm going to connect my answers. Connect the problems that have the same add-ins. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 plus 8 is 15. And 5 plus 6 is 11. Notice I started at the bottom that time. And that's okay. Doesn't matter. Now that we've done that front side together, the back side is going to be your responsibility. Make sure that your name is on it. You're going to write your answers and draw lines to connect the problems that have the same sum. Remember, sum is your big fancy word for answer. They have the same answer. Then fill in the missing add-ins and draw lines to connect to show that they have the same add-ins. When you're done, this is going to go into your Wednesday folder. When you're done, this is going to go in your Wednesday folder.